Hello everyone, this is Kajal Singh and today we are going to discuss about digestive system as we know very well because I have already covered first part of digestive system, but now I am not going to divide it any parts because I am going to divide it in many small parts, okay? Because if we have very big parts, so I have to face very problems to upload in that video. So of course short videos, not very short, at least one topic, okay? And first of all, I am very thankful to my all students. I know they like my video and comment me too much too much good. Of course I like they all comments, and thank you so much for supporting me, my all students. Thanks a lot. Now I'm going to start. So first of all, I have one time I hope you have remembered that mouth. I think it is visible. Yes, I have covered mouth, which is tongue, teeth, plates, that all are covered. I think I have covered in separate video also and a revision video also. And this is salivary glands. I think this is not visible, and this is the esophagus. I have covered to peristalsis movement. Peristalsis movement, it is just a contraction and relaxation of the esophagus, okay, according to your bolus, okay, which is your food. So esophagus open in your stomach. This is your stomach and this is your liver. This is gallbladder. So your esophagus is open in your stomach. And one more thing, that is your chest cavity and your abdominal cavity divided from a thing that is called diaphragm. But diaphragm work in respiratory system. So I have covered that how that work in respiration. So in respiratory system I have covered, but you know that this is your abdomen cavity. Abdomen means stomach, okay? This is your abdomen cavity, and upper part is called chest cavity. So divided both of part, that is called diaphragm, okay? So in stomach is a very widest part of our alimentary canal. That clear? And this is a J-shaped pouch in empty condition. When it's empty, that means you have not taken any food, anything. So of course that is empty, and in the condition of that is a J shape, okay? And stomach, we know very well because that day I have told you that carbohydrate digest in our mouth, and what is digest in our stomach? That is our protein, okay? So our protein digest in stomach. And one more thing that is very important, esophagus have not released any enzyme. One thing, if we ask anyone, that is which part of alimentary canal, that is which in whole alimentary canal, which part of that is not secreted enzyme, that is esophagus, okay? Esophagus never secrete any enzyme. So if digested is directly connection with enzymes, okay? If enzymes is released from that organ, then digestion is occur. Otherwise digestion is not occur, just because in our mouth saliva is secreted, because that is enzyme. So that's why we call that our digestion starts from mouth. But esophagus not secreted any enzyme, so that's why they have no digestion. After that, in stomach, enzyme is released, that is called pepsin, okay? What is called? That is called pepsin. They have no place to write anything, and I am not going to erase that because I think whatever I have done this is too much I think beautiful for me, because I am not interested in drawing at all. So I am not going to erase this, okay? just listen to me. Pepsin and renin both are one thing. Renin is released in infant, that means in a newborn child or a small child. So renin is responsible for digestion of protein, but in adults, in that we are, so what responsible of digestion in adults, that is pepsin. Okay, pepsin is an enzyme. Your protein breaks pepsin, and pepsin, one thing or more thing do pepsin, that is activate of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, which is very strong acid that can burn your stomach, but our stomach is not burning. Why? Because we have a mucus layer in our stomach. Okay, that is very thick layer, and that help us, and that is always protect us from HCl. Okay, so I hope you have remembered that is mucus layer, and pepsin is responsible for breakdown of protein and activate of HCl. I hope you remember. And renin in child. Okay, and pepsin is adult. I hope you remember this. After that, after stomach, after digestion of food in stomach, that is called chyme also. And after the digestion of mouth, that is we have already called that bolus, and after digestion of stomach, that is called chyme. Okay, I hope stomach is clear. Thank you very much. After that, after this video, we have covered about intestine. Okay, bye bye.